I'm Lance Chase, and I drive the Allstate Peterbilt mobile service truck. We fix trucks. It's pretty much as basic as that. We do anything from PMs for your basic maintenance, overhead adjustments, after treatment services, diagnostics, troubleshooting, you name it, we can fix it. I have a new office every single day. It's not the same old routine, which I really do enjoy.
Having the footprint we have that covers the 5-state area, a lot of our customers travel that area, and they know that whether it's parts, service, mobile service, we have the coverage. Our mobile techs, they have the perks of being able to travel around to different customers. They get to know these customers. Ultimately, they turn into their friends.
I like working with Allstate Peterbilt because it's hugely efficient to have Lance come here instead of us running trucks back and forth. Basically, any question we got, any problem we've got, he's able to fix.
This first cabinet, we've got our basic hand tools, a power inverter.
Got the hoist on it so he can do bigger jobs with pulling radiators or motors if he needs to be.
I'm Mark Simonson, and I am the mobile service manager for Allstate Peterbilt Group. I enjoy helping the customers get back up and running. I have the access to log into technicians' computers and help them through troubleshooting.
Oh, we receive dealership training on a yearly basis, and it does not just happen one time a year, it's throughout the year. Knowing that you come out not knowing what you have coming your way and you repair it, it's immediate satisfaction, not only for yourself but the customer as well. I'm Lance Chase, and I proudly work for Allstate Peterbilt.